Randy de Puniet, born 14 February 1981, is a French motorcycle road racer. De Puniet also competed in Grand Prix racing between 1998 and 2014, where he achieved 5 wins in the 250cc class. He competed in the Superbike World Championship in 2015, with little success. Career. Born in Maisons-Laffitte, Yvelines, de Puniet was French 125cc champion in 1998, moving up to the World Championship a year later. In 2001 he moved up to the 250cc World Championship. He earned 2 podium finishes in 2002 to earn a factory Aprilia ride for 2003. He took his first win in Catalonia, coming 4th overall with 3 wins. In 2004 he was 3rd with a single win, spending 2005 with on an Aprilia run by former world champion Jorge Martinez and his Aspar racing team. 2006 was his first season in MotoGP for the Kawasaki factory team, where he remained for 2007. He took his first front row start at the 2007 Catalan Grand Prix and finished a career-best 5th. Up until Donington, he started all but one other race on the 3rd row. He started 4th and finished 2nd at Motegi in the Puniet. LCR Honda announced on 24 August 2007 that de Puniet would ride for them in 2008 and 2009. He suffered a fractured ankle in a mid-season testing crash in 2009. He ultimately remained with LCR for 2010, despite being linked to the French Tech 3 squad. He had been in contention for a Tech 3 ride for 2011, but team boss Hervé Poncherel denied this link. He enjoyed a strong run of form mid-season in 2010, including consecutive front-row starts at Silverstone and Assen. He was running 5th in the championship before breaking his leg in a crash at the Sachsenring. He missed the race at Laguna Seca before returning at Renault, where he finished 10th. In spite of the promise he showed on the Honda before his injury, de Puniet raced for Pramac Racing in 2011. After a disappointing year on the satellite Ducati, de Puniet joined the Power Electronics Aspar team for 2012, a claiming rules team running a modified Aprilia RSV4 known as the Art. For 2014, de Puniet was not racing, instead concentrating on development and testing on the Suzuki 2015 MotoGP machine. He hoped to receive a wildcard ride during 2014 and did so at the final race in Valencia, retiring from the race. Career statistics. Grand Prix motorcycle racing. Equals by season. Equals by class. Equals races by year. Equals. Key. Races in bold indicate pole position. Races in italics indicate fastest lap. Superbike World Championship. Equals races by year. Equals. Season still in progress. Commitment. De Puniet is a member of the Champions for Peace Club, a group of more than 90 famous elite created by Peace in Sport, a Monaco-based international organization placed under the high patronage of HSH Prince Albert II. This group of top-level champions wish to make sport a tool for dialogue and social cohesion. http://www.peace-sport.org/or-champions-of-peace/. References. External links. Official website.